Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Watch 8 Ultra smartwatch, or also known as the KD99 Ultra smartwatch. So we are going to pair it with its support app and see other additional options for this smartwatch. Okay, so the support app for this one, for the smartwatch, is the HRYFine application. Okay, so it says here it is using the HRYFine app. So we are going to download it and install the support app for this wearable and see if what are the additional options for the wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we are ready, and of course our smartwatch here is in full battery mode, full charge. So let's start and install the support app for this smartwatch. Okay, so we already know the application name for the support app, so let's just search the Google Play Store. Okay, so we already have here the HRYFine app. Okay, let's try to remove it first. Okay, let's start from scratch. Okay, so let's start and install the support app for the wearable. Okay, HRY fine. Okay, so we have it here. Again, this is for the KD99 Ultra. So if you have the smartwatch, just check out this video, so you can follow the step-by-step process on installing the support app. Okay, 65 MB with over 10 million plus downloads. So just tap install. So this will be quick as the application is only 64.93 MB. So we installed this support app already with other applications or other smartwatches. So this time we are going to show you on how to set up the HRYFine app with a KD99 Ultra smartwatch. So just follow the guide. Okay, so it's almost finished here. Okay, so it's almost finished and it's now installing the application. Again, this tutorial is for the Android smartphone. Okay, but you can also follow the instructions here. It's almost similar to the iOS platform. It's now installing. Okay, it's just scanning for checking the app for any sign of anomaly, especially the virus. Okay, let's tap open. Okay, so here it is asking for permission to make and manage phone calls. Just allow it. Okay, allow HRYFine to access photos and media and files on your device. Just allow it. Allow HRYFine to access your contacts. Just allow it. And SMS messages, as well as phone call logs. So every permission is already set. So here we have here asking to register the application. You can use Google account here, or you can register a new account. Okay, so we will register our application here. Okay, so wait. Okay, so we use our Google account to sign up. Okay, so third party login. So here it is asking to set your permission for the messages. So go to set, then look for the application HRYFine app. So allow notification access to HRYFine. Just allow it. Okay, and go back. So we have here. Okay, so this is an ad. Just ignore it. Okay, so on the bottom part we have the health, okay, section, data, sports, and your profile here. Okay, to be able to pair with our KD99 Ultra smartwatch, okay, so you need to go to the data section. Okay, or okay, I'm mistaken, go to the my section, I think. Yeah, okay, that's it. Okay, so here search device, add device, and other settings for your smartwatch. So tap on your add device. Okay, so it is asking for permission. Okay, just allow it. Activate your Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, allow. So permission. So let's check our permissions here. Okay, location. Then yes, it seems like everything is okay. Then here it is asking to open your or turn on your Bluetooth. Just tap on allow. Okay, turning Bluetooth on. Again, we have a permission again. Okay, so tap on high accuracy. Go back, and it's now searching for the application. So it found an application here. It's the S8 Ultra. Okay, so it's a different smartwatch. Let's see if it can find our device here. So let's see, maybe this is the S8 also. Okay, sometimes it is the manufacturer rebranded the smartwatch, but it's just the same wearable. Okay, as you can see here, it is also S8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so we said it earlier, it's the KD99 Ultra. Okay, based on the shopping site, it's the KD99 Ultra. Here it says it is the Watch 8 smartwatch, but it is also an S8 Ultra smartwatch. So just tap on it. Okay, it's now pairing. And here, so just some instructions. Okay, just cancel it, and we are now paired with the S8 or the KD99 Ultra smartwatch or the Watch 8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so seems like everything is okay here. Let's say again, let's go back for the permissions. Okay, device settings, message reminder. So everything is okay. How about the application reminder? Let's look for it. Is there an option here? Maybe it's all here in just one option. Okay, here, it's already here. WeChat, QQ, Facebook, and other application. Okay, so let's check. Will it work? Find device. Okay, so we are paired now with the Watch 8 or the KD99 Ultra or the S8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, just the same smartwatch, just a different brand, or it has been rebranded. Okay, so that's the steps, okay, on how to connect your S8 Ultra or the KD99 Ultra smartwatch to the HRYFine application. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video tutorial, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.